Hello, welcome to Torrent. Today we'll introduce how to use a GBS standard glove box. What material the client shall prepare. First is to prepare the mixed gas. Mixed gas is hydrogen mixed with nitrogen or argon gas. The mixing ratio is hydrogen is 5 to 10%. The ratio of nitrogen or argon gas is 90 to 95%. This mixed gas only need 1 bottle 10 kgs. The working pressure of the mixed gas is 0.25 to 0.3 MPa, and the working gas is mainly nitrogen or argon gas. Use nitrogen or argon gas depends on client need during the experiment. Working gas need high purity gas. Take this RGBS as example. Need to prepare 5 bottle working gas and equipped with a pressure reducing valve. Adjust pressure 0.4 to 0.5 MPa. Let me emphasize again. Received the equipment. The first thing we need to prepare is the gas. 1 bottle of mixed gas, 5 bottles of working gas. This is what need to prepare for the GBS glove box. If for bigger size glove box, such as 4 GBS or 8 GBS, we increase or decrease the same according to the volume. Before introducing how to use, first introduce a general workflow of the glove box. After receiving the glove box, follow our operating instructions. Connect all the accessories accordingly, then run regeneration. The regeneration process need about 24 hours. After regeneration, then we reach the clearing cycle process. The clearing need about 15 hours. After this process, the HRO and R level will reach less than 0.1 ppm. After such a process is over, customers can do experiment inside the glove box.